I'm showing you how I blow dry my hair using the Dyson Air Wrap. I begin by towel drying my hair and then applying 1 pump of Kerastase Oleo Relax from the ears down. I use a wet brush to comb through my hair. The Oleo Relax acts as a sliding serum that helps the wet brush glide through my hair without snagging split ends or pulling any strands out. Remember to start at your ends when brushing your hair and work your way up. This way you're working on one tangle at a time, which minimizes your chance of pulling your hair out. Now I'm going to apply the new Kerastase Genesis Thermique. I spray twice per side, again focusing on the ears down. The ends of long hair have been with you for years and will probably be with you for many more. Treat them well. This is the Dyson Air Wrap with the blow dryer attachment on. I like to put mine at full blast at medium heat while rough drying my hair. I direct the air at my roots to get them dry first. Later, when you go in with a different attachment, you will find that you get a smoother finish and more natural volume if your roots are 100% dry already. Pay special attention to the crown of your head. That's the area where the hair tends to split if you don't blow dry it right. You want to make sure that you are directing the air from all directions so that the follicles don't get used to splitting in one way. Remember, you are working against gravity too. Blow drying up will give your blow dry more volume. Blow drying down will give you a flatter look. Now that you have your roots 100% dry, you can focus on the mid-length and ends. I hold my hair in my hand and direct the airflow down the hair shaft. If you point the airflow up the hair strand, you will rough up the cuticle and get a lot of frizz. To detach the blow dry attachment, simply push up on the lever that is keeping it in place and pull it off. To put an attachment on, line up the grooves and click it in place. I'm using the Airwrap smoothing attachment to finish my blow dry. Since I already have my roots dry, I am primarily working on my mid-lengths and ends. I love the Airwrap because it's so easy. You literally just brush through your hair until it's dry. I do like to go under to smooth out the ends, but I kind of go in all directions to make sure I'm getting the hair dry from all angles. I use my other hand to keep the hair on the brush and smooth it in the direction I want the hair to go. I'm not really worried about where I part my hair here because my goal is to get it smooth so I can flip it back and forth and not have it too rigid looking. Once everything is basically dry, I like to brush my hair back and get all the baby hairs around my face smooth. Don't forget the hairline at your nape too. The crown is a special part of the head. To stop it from splitting and look good from the back, take a half circle section that starts at the top of your head and goes to under the swirls of the back of your head. Then blow dry this section together, going up, going left, and going right. When it's mostly dry, I start playing with the hair and style and refine it using my fingers. At this point, I find my part, massage the hair with my hands to get it set how I want to, and blow dry anything that is bothering me. Now I'm going to apply 1 pump of Kerastase Elixir Ultime Oil. I spread it all through my hands first and then massage it through my hair, ears down. Now I have a smooth blow dry that I can run my fingers through and move around. If you are interested in more hair tips from a professional hairstylist, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting regularly.